We are on our way to go and pick up the boat. We're in Southampton. We stayed right in the centre of Southampton last night. So the plan today is for the guys who have been looking after the boat for the last couple of months, adding all the aftermarket stuff, to walk us through everything that they've done and everything that comes as standard as well, for us to get acquainted with the boat. That's today and tomorrow, and then over the weekend we'll slowly be moving some stuff on. Now's our chance to sort of slowly get acquainted with it and start moving bits on, and it's going to be fun. There she is.
You get a picture?
That was a video.
Looks great, Harry. You did a good job on that.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Say something.
Let's go.
Okay, so this is round one. Loading. Oh, easy. Loading up the boat. We've got as many trolleys as we can possibly carry. We're emptying the van out. There's a lot of very nice boats here. We are going to be the ones at the very end, running up and down the boardwalk. Oh, this is going to be perfect. Look at that.
Do you want to stay the other end and help Mum get it all onto the boat?
Can do, yeah. Dad's asked me to stay this side now to help you load up, because I think the Ancaster team are doing a pretty good job of bringing stuff down. The van's nearly empty. Dad's like in a bit of a panic though. Not panicking, just thinking, like, he thinks that we've bought way too much stuff.
You just said
And
that.
I think he might be right.
Yeah.
This isn't even all of it. We've still got 2 cars and some stuff in the loft at home. Special shampoo.
Yes.
This is 200 rolls of flushable, ocean-safe toilet paper that the guys down there saw on my trolley and laughed at me and said, "Oh look, he's got toilet paper." Stacking up. Come down here, and we've got piles and piles of toys. We've got paddle boards, hydrofoil boards, hydrofoil kites. There's some spear guns and spearfishing stuff, free diving stuff to come. It's nice.
Where's the water coming outside?
How heavy? Because the heater system in the bedroom uses water, so the water comes in, cools the system down, and then comes back out again. So if the heater's on, or if the engines are running, there's water coming outside. Well, that one's dodgy. It's got a dodgy wheel, so I think they'll be all right without it.
Should I take it back and leave it there then?
Yeah, you can do. Outside deck is now toy-free, so apart from these big 8 boxes that are still on the pontoon, everything else is inside. As you can see. So these 2 boxes, everything has been meticulously planned out. Lounge / saloon. This one is boat cleaning supplies. 4 times bottle of degreaser cleaner, etc.
Are you doing a chain of toilet roll?
Yeah, let's do the chain of toilet roll.
I'm trying to just...
Go, go, go. We've got a toilet roll chain going to get all of the many rolls of easy flush, ocean safe toilet roll down into storage. That is step 1.
Cheers.
Woohoo!
Well done, us.
So we're at the end of a very long day, a very long couple of days. We've had some pretty intense sort of training, getting to know the boat, meeting with all the guys that built and implemented a lot of the systems on board, and they're all really, really nice guys. And the last couple of hours we've been moving stuff on. Got a lot more to do tomorrow, but it's just knackering. So getting an early night and up again tomorrow to carry on. Very exciting. We're sleeping on the boat for the very first time. This is our cabin. There will be a full boat tour coming very soon. It's lovely and spacious, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Oh, that didn't work because the camera just adjusted to
Do
it
the
being
last bit
dark.
again. Do the last bit.
Let's try that again.
Good night.
Day 2 has begun. It was an early morning this morning. The van is now emptied and back with the hire company, and everything is here. Done a little pick-me-up run. We've got a long day of unpacking and sorting and deciding ahead of us. It's going to be fun. Spearfishing stuff's out there. Yeah, boy. What is it, show me? Ah, the secret stash. This morning's job is to get everything that we packed into here out, move it, undo the false floor in this locker, which has storage underneath, and put it all back in the order that we're going to use it in. Ironically, the dead cat, the muffler for my microphone, has just blown off in the wind when its only job is to stop wind noise. Okay. Surprising how much stuff can fit down here. There's a lot more. Our main big, massive Code Zero sail that only goes up in very light wind because it's like a massive parachute. That's down here, and that was the main reason that we haven't opened the underfloor, because it was covering the hole. We've got loads more room now underneath the main storage bay, which everything that's going to go in here is stuff that we're never going to use for, or stuff that we're going to use once a year, that sort of thing. Christmas decorations, for example, something that we'll use once a year. Probably think that we're a bit mental for bringing Christmas decorations on a boat, but you've got to remember that this is our home now. Like we're sort of not planning on coming back, and if it is, it'll be years down the line. So, those little comforts, like putting the Christmas tree up, even when we're the other side of the world, somewhere that's quite hot, hopefully, it's quite important, I think. We're not like performance sailors that are doing around the world in a month or whatever. It's going to be a slow cruise, and it's going to feel quite homely, hopefully. So this one is servicing parts for the tender's outboard engine, so the smaller engine that goes on the smaller boat. And that we are legally allowed to service ourselves, but obviously because it's brand new, it's not going to need to happen for at least 6 months. So that's going at the most accessible part of the least accessible area. Okay, okay. That's full. Completely, it's like to the brim. So that storage that we were just filling up is very nearly full. This one, this side, is completely full. I don't know if you can see through there, but there's literally paddleboard paddles coming up to the window. So I'm just going to close this up very quickly. We're going to have a 30-second chocolate break, and I'll show you what's going on inside in terms of getting packed up. I need to close that. There's still more bits in there. Just close it so the wind doesn't blow it. So, come and see what's going on inside. Still got lots going on. We've got about 4 hours until we have to move to the other port, where we're going to be staying for about a month, waiting for the weather window to head off on the big adventure. So what's going on down here? Hello. Hello. The spare bed, one of the spare beds, has been completely taken up. And we've got stuff that needs keeping, dry and warm, but is big and bulky and can be out of the way for now. So stuff like sleeping bag, dry robes, spare duvet covers, whatever you've got. What have you got?
Printer paper.
Printer ink.
Ink.
I don't know what we've got. Oh, we've got a printer for like making copies of passports and printing off visa documents and stuff like that for all the countries that need that. So that's a good thing to have spares of. All the tools, ropes, lines, emergency grab bag, spare life jackets for guests. We've all got our own individual life jackets dotted around as well. It's all going on.
No, that's what I was thinking.
We're now about half an hour away from the first proper test sail, going from the port where the boat was handed over and had all the bits added onto it, and where we've been packing it up to the port where we're going to be waiting for the weather to start the journey. So it's very exciting, but obviously the Six Nations comes first. Of course he's got it. Come on, England.
Unless there's a forecast under 45 for the next 48 hours.
Why do you build me up?
No, exactly. So it doesn't. It's no problem. And actually, the forecast. We just want to go and get some.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, we've arrived to where we're going to be for the next couple of weeks until the weather's right. We're settled in. It was a bit of a risky way in, so the camera definitely wasn't out. It was a bit high pressure situation getting the boat through a lock that was only sort of 50 centimetres wider than the boat itself. So a little bit scary, but we're all good. So we're pretty much packed away and ready for the boat now. So we're pretty much packed away, ready for the journey. So that is the end of this video. But very, very soon we'll be posting almost daily on the journey, leaving and heading off around the world for the next few years. So subscribe.
Bye.